In 2025, the new DS4 hatchback from DS Automobile is now up for pre-order in the UK and is definitely worth checking out. The top-of-the-line model, known as La Premiere, kicks off at just under £40,000 and offers a both petrol and plug-in hybrid engine options. This sleek hatchback is ready to take on rivals like the Audi A3 and BMW 1 Series, but with a stylish French flair. It replaces the older DS4 and comes with a fresh modern look featuring a sleek rear window and a bold front grille. The La Premiere version really stands out with its black grille and glassy black accents. It even sports a special 1 badge on the hood and has black trim running between the rear lights and along the lower body. It all set off by 19-inch 2-ton alloy wheels that give it a sporty edge. Inside, the La Premiere impresses with its Opera interior, complete with fancy watch strap Napa leather seats. These seats aren't just about looks, they can be heated, cooled, and even offer a massage function. The doors and dashboard are also covered in luxurious leather. The car comes with DS's latest touchscreen infotainment system, which includes gesture controls and an extended head-up display. For lighting, you have got LED headlights with matrix technology that adjust to avoid dazzling with other drivers. The DS Active Scan suspension is another standout feature. It scans the road for bumps and adjusts the suspension to keep your ride smooth. Under the hood, you have got a choice between the Porsche Tech 225 petrol engine and the E10's 225 plug-in hybrid. Both versions pack 222 horsepower from a 1.6-liter petrol engine, but the hybrid adds an electric motor and a battery, giving you about 30 miles of electric-only driving. You can pre-order the La Premiere model until the end of July, but it won't hit UK roads until later this year. After that, other versions of the DS4 will roll out, including petrol options with 129 and 178 horsepower and a 128 horsepower diesel. The DS4 will also be available in different trims like the Sporty Performance line and the SUV-inspired Crossback. Optional extras include a top-notch focal Electra Hi-Fi system, which is also available with the La Premiere models.